See those two lights in the sky? Okay, at about 7:10, electricity went out, a very strange trumpet noise from the sky. Then electricity came back on, and they're hovering. They go on top, one above the other, or left and right. This is not a real good video, but the colors are actually, they're not just white. Sometimes it's red and green and white, or it's white. They're changing colors. Have no idea what that is. By the way, I did look through the binoculars, and you just see it's so bright you still can't see what it is. Now they're further apart. So we're down to one. I have no idea. See the light blinking to the right, just so you can tell that that's not the tower. What I'm looking at the left is definitely not the tower. And it fizzled out. It disappeared. The light just disappeared. Wow.